Hello guys, so today I got my new bike, DK the Machine. It's all stock. Um, as you can see, got the stock DK stem, stock DK handlebars right there. The grips, they're pretty good. DK everything. I got my DK bag right there. Today I tried out the bike. It's pretty good. Um, yeah, later I'm gonna be getting new brakes for it. So I want to be dealing with all this. I'm gonna take that off tomorrow. I took off the sticker right there. I'm gonna try taking that off tomorrow with gasoline or something. Um, sealed bearings. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my wait. Tomorrow I'm gonna be getting my Fit 25 tooth sprocket. Yeah. So everything's stock on this bike. The background's pretty loud. I'm just gonna keep that one on there instead of getting my my Fit one. Yeah, I got this bike because my Fit, it was getting kind of ugly now. Some problems with it, so I just decided to get a nice new decent bike. And I saw this one at Walmart for like 160, and I just got it. That's pretty loud. Watch. Yeah, so this is my bike trip. Sorry, it's all crappy right now. It's because I didn't get my camera. I'm just using my phone. Alright, thanks.